age and growth of the Antarctic fish, Pseudochanithtis georgianus, based on the otolith morphometry.
Fish spawning in February, March and April. Larvae hatch in July.
Postlarvae found in January or December have half a year. Hatching larvae have otolith with 0.1 mm of radius and have 50 mm of total length. Postlarvae have 7 cm of total length. Their otolith have 1 mm of radius. Next year we can find in December fish with 21 cm of total length. Their age is 1.6 of year. Their otolith have a radius of 1.97 mm. On the length frequency we can find 3 age groups, easy to distinguish. The next age group have older fish. They create peak with 46 cm. That older fish have various otolith mass in 3 age groups. The youngest of that fish probably is at age of 4, and the camarates are 5 and 6 years old. Assumption. We can estimate the age by reading daily increments show up in the otolith slices as concentric rings. Justification. It was proved that the smallest in micro increments of otoliths are daily increments, arising as a result of day and night metabolic cycle in the production of otolith matrix components. For fish preying in the night, this cycle results from larger locomotor activity during the night and lower activity in the day. 1 unit of daily ring is set up from collagen ring and a ring of gaps after aragonite needles removed by EDTA.
Detect the smallest cycle daily increment in empirical data of optical density of the microscopic preparations by summing 2 sets of measurements being moved to each other and finding the minima of the optical densities and calculation of cycles daily increments. Detect the smallest cycle daily increment by fit periodic functions to the measurement data and calculation of the number of cycles that are equals to number of daily increments.
Check whether daily increment is unit among similar or not similar species. The other ice fish larvae have very similar daily increments and otolith shape. In the otolith microstructure, daily increments show that in one direction are very narrow, in the same time in the other direction are very wide. When one direction their width are increase, in the other direction are decrease. This suggests that mass of otolith should be constant parameter for growth of otolith.
Age from otolith mass. The otolith weight frequency indicated that there were modes with normal distribution associated with the age groups. Age groups are separated by large distances between groups in frequency of otolith mass. After confirmation that groups in otolith mass frequency differ by annual increments, the age of the fish shall be determined by weighting of otolith.
Georgianus from Antarctic and subantarctic islands grow very similar.